Hi everyone, welcome to our health and wellness channel where we are going to dive deep into science of nutrition, and the symbiotic relationship of our body, our gut microflora, and our skin microflora, and how we can balance that to really help avoid any health condition or heal any health condition. Our channel is all about balancing the microbiome and creating a symbiosis for our body to be healthy and live a long and healthy life. So today in this video, we are going to explore immune boosting foods such as red meat, liver, leafy green vegetables, sardines, and lemons, and how these impact Demodex proliferation. So today, it's a very comprehensive exploration of the diet that not only will boost the immune system, but it will lower the Demodex mite populations. It is a very, very important role. Food is a very important role in assisting in boosting your immune system. So we are going to go to the first food. It is going to be the first most important food is going to be a food called liver. So liver is a powerhouse of nutrients. I would say it is the most important food you can eat, especially nowadays. In our society, where most of us are deficient in those essential vitamins and minerals due to external factors, contributing factors. So we need liver more than ever, unless we are supplementing. But liver is a collaboration, a compilation of all of those vitamins and minerals you need. And it's in a natural form. It is critical to immune health. Most notably, liver it's very critical for vitamin A and vitamin B vitamins. So vitamin A is very essential in maintaining the integrity of our skin and mucosal barriers. So it is what that means, our mucosal barriers, it means that the mucus prevents pathogens from invading our body. So the entry of pathogens, that's what our mucosal barrier is. And vitamin A is very essential in maintaining the structure of it and its integrity. So it supports the function of natural killer cells. So those are called macrophages. Those are very important in immune response. So in keeping our immune system sharp, let's say sharp. So B vitamins, let's go into B vitamins in liver. Liver has so many numerous vitamins and minerals that we can make an entire video about, but these are just the top foods for Demodex. I'll make a separate video just on liver. So B vitamins, particularly B12 and folate, are integral for DNA synthesis and repair. That is a process that is constantly required for production of new immune cells. So this rapid cell turnover that we have on a daily basis, we always have cell turnover. We're renewing our cells. It is very vital. It is vital for a robust defense against Demodex mites. So it is a defense against the infections, and for keeping those Demodex mite proliferation populations in check. So number two for me, I wouldn't say that, I would say these all come hand in hand. Liver, of course, is number one. Number two would be red meat. It's a foundational staple food. It's a foundation of this diet. So that is a daily food you should be eating if you have a lowered, weakened immune response. That is because meat contains vitamin B12, which is crucial in boosting your immune system. Red meat, and I'm talking about red meat, grass-fed, organic. I would say if there is some sort of if financially you're not able to buy organic or grass-fed, I would still go with just normal high-fat meat for now, and you'll still see a difference. So it is very rich in heme, iron, and zinc. Heme iron is very crucial in the synthesis of hemoglobin. So this hemoglobin helps with the transportation of oxygen to the immune cells in our body. This means that we're creating an efficient immune response. So we need all of those to come together and create a streamlined process in our body. And this is the optimal functioning of the body if we have enough of these, the heme iron, all of these nutrients and minerals. So that assists in transport. Zinc is also crucial. It is, on the other hand, it is vital. It is very vital in the development of white blood cells. So it's a type of white blood cell, and it plays a very important role in our immune response. Enough zinc levels are essential in maintaining our skin's barrier function. So as long as our skin's barrier function is strong, we can defend any pathogen that comes in our way, or the body, including these Demodex mites. How I would encompass it is we need zinc and we need iron and B12, and we need all of those key factors, all of those nutrients and vitamins to defend our skin's barrier against Demodex mites. It just creates a streamlined, efficient process for our body. And when one of them is lacking, then the other is. They're all connected. The next one is going to be, we're going to talk about vitamin C. We're going to talk about lemons. Lemons are very, very important as well. They contain vitamin C, as you may know. It is a very, very potent antioxidant. It is essential for the production of our white blood cells. This includes the lymphocytes and phagocytes. So these are just white blood cells. And the vitamin C, it does enhance our skin's barrier function very much. It protects us from all the environmental stressors and microbes that could potentially invade our body. So we need those invaders or those defense mechanisms to be active and alert. So we do have a lot of environmental stressors these days that could deactivate it from microbes. And this includes Demodex mites. So vitamin C, it is very important also in aiding wounds and reduces inflammation. It is something that we desperately need as well for our body. A very, very good food as well would be, this is very important as well, as sardines and fish. I would say you can live off of meat and liver, that's the best, but these are the top foods that you can choose from. I would say you should eat at least every other day, especially if you have a deficiency. But if you are able to have sardines, that's even more amazing. Sardines are very healthy in the omega-3 fatty acids, which are anti-inflammatory. I know you need a balance of 3, 6, and 9s, but these are healthy. So as long as you start to eat a healthier diet, if you do eat a somewhat unhealthy diet, meaning even if you do have some sugar, even if you splurge once in a while on fruit, it could still cause inflammation depending on your immune system. So it goes that far in depth that it has to be extreme if you'd like to get rid of it. This is very important. Sardines are amazing. So in general, chronic inflammation, which many Americans have, can suppress the immune system. Omega-3s, they reduce inflammation, and it does cause the immune balance to boost. So we're balancing the immune system here when we are lowering inflammation. And these foods are all anti-inflammatory. It's one of the sources of vitamin D as well, a sardine. And we vitally, crucially need that in modulating the immune response. And of course, it supports the function of our T cells and macrophages. The adequate vitamin D levels are actually closely associated with skin disorders. including Demodex mites. I would combine all of these foods, and I would say that leafy green vegetables with your meat is going to be a game changer for you as well. So you will feel better. If you don't feel so good eating meat by itself, you feel some sort of heaviness, I would add in leafy green vegetables, because this is also very high in vitamin C and E, which also protect immune cells from stress, from oxidative stress. So this preserves their functionality. This preserves their integrity. And these greens actually have a source of folate, so that does support DNA synthesis and cell division and synthesis, meaning that your cells are able to renew quicker, reducing inflammation. All of these foods, their diversity helps with enhancing the gut microbiome diversity and the skin. So we do need that, and all of that creates an environment that is not friendly for Demodex mites. These foods are Demodex unfriendly foods. So incorporating these natural nutrient-rich foods can boost your immune system and can create an inhospitable environment for Demodex mites. These are very important. I would love to go in depth about these vitamins and how they actually work, or how they modulate the immune system, and how it's vital for us to eat these foods in their natural form. But as a general point, I would say focusing on this type of diet will address the nutrient deficiencies and enhance your immune health. That is 100%. And so this is a proactive step that should be taken towards resilience to Demodex mites. And it is very important to reduce the sugar once you're on this diet, so that you are able to absorb, and your caffeine intake, so that you aren't lacking absorption. And thank you so much for watching. Please comment on my channel or on this video, and let me know of what you want to, what questions you have, or any video ideas that are of interest to you, that we can discuss. Because it doesn't matter what ideas I have, it matters what will help you in the long run. So please subscribe to this channel for more in-depth insights into the science of nutrition and immune health, and how we can create a symbiosis in our body. And thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.